students, today we will solve one problem based on this marginal costing. Here we will see how to calculate contribution and PV ratio and break-even point in terms of the units and break-even point in terms of the amount, and what will be the selling price if the break-even point is given like this. We'll see this problem. See, first one is contribution. Contribution equal to, first let's understand the concept first. Sales minus variable cost is a contribution. Means, here try to understand one thing. Sales is the amount you recover by selling the product, that is the sale amount. Take the example, sale amount is 10,000 rupees. And variable cost is the one to manufacture one pen. What is the cost you have incurred? That is, take the example, 7,000 rupees. So here the contribution will become 3,000 rupees. But here, this is the example. We will see our question here. Selling price is given how much? 15 rupees. And variable cost is given 10 rupees. It means contribution per unit is 5 rupees. That's it. Contribution. PV ratio. PV ratio formula is contribution divided by sales. Means this is a contribution I am getting. 5 rupees contribution I am getting. Upon selling the product at 15 rupees into 100, that is PV ratio percentage is, that is 33.33%. This is the PV ratio. And next one, break-even point in terms of the units. Break-even point in terms of the units. What is the formula for the break-even point? The fixed cost. Fixed cost upon per unit. Contribution per unit. Here it is saying units. Contribution per unit is 5 rupees. So I will write here contribution. That is, fixed cost is how much? 1,50,000 is the amount of fixed cost, and contribution per unit. See, here he is saying in units, so contribution per unit. What is the contribution per unit? 5 rupees per unit. Right? 1,50,000 divided by 5 is 30,000. Break-even point in units is 30,000. Break-even point in amount. There are two ways. First way is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. What is the fixed cost? 1,50,000. And what is the PV ratio? 33.33%. That is 4,50,045 rupees is the, means round figure, you can say 4,50,000 rupees. Another way of doing this break-even point in terms of the amount is, break-even point units how many? 30 units. Break-even point units into rate per unit is how much? Selling price 15 rupees. Selling price. that is break-even point units is 30 and selling price is 15 rupees. Is nothing but 30,000 into 15 is 4,50,000. Right? This is a C bit. And coming to this one, break-even point, if break-even point is 25,000, then what is the selling price? See, break-even point, what is the formula? Break-even point, the formula is fixed cost divided by contribution, I can say. Can I write this contribution this side and break-even point this side? So that contribution will be here. Fixed cost divided by break-even point. What is the fixed cost? It is remain same 1,50,000 and break-even point he has given 25,000 rupees for the new situation. Then we will get contribution per unit. Contribution per unit 1,50,000 divided by 25,000, that is 6 rupees. 6 rupees is a variable cost. What is asking? If break-even point is this one, what is the selling price? Come here. Selling price equal to, I told you. Okay, here I'll show you. Selling price equal to variable cost plus contribution. How I am saying? See, here selling price is this one. Selling price is 10,000 rupees. Selling price equal to, can I write contribution plus break-even point, variable cost? So I will get selling price 10,000. Right? Selling price equal to variable cost plus contribution. Variable cost is how much? 10 rupees. Contribution we got just now 6 rupees. So selling price is 16 rupees if break-even point is 25,000.